Thank you for purchasing the X1 single layer hydraulic cold press with EG260 grinder. This video was intended as an educational tool to accompany the user's manual that was shipped with your equipment. Before operating, make sure all electrical connections are made by a qualified technician in accordance with state and local regulations. To begin, make sure all parts are in place for operation. Attach shredder disc backing plate by sliding it onto the drive shaft stem, aligning the guide pins with the holes in the back of the disc. Attach shredder disc by placing it over the 8 mounting screws and rotating until it locks in position. Tighten all screws. Attach agitator knob over shredder by turning it until tight. This keeps the assembly in place during operation. Never run the machine without agitator knob securely attached. Attach shredder hopper by placing it over the 4 mounting stems and attaching and tightening the 4 black retaining nuts. Insert press racks into pressing chamber and hook the grommeted straps onto the rack stems. Place press bag into pressing chamber, sliding grommets over the rack stems. Place juice pan onto its supporting brackets. If juice collection package was included, put into position by attaching the black gasket and sanitary tubing to the juice pan. Before grinding any product, be sure the bag is in grind position by attaching the front of the bag to the grinder. Once all components are in position, you can connect power to the machine. Power on grinder, pull out the red emergency stop button and press the green start button on the keypad. The grinder will return to the previously set speed. To set the speed of the grinder, use the up and down arrows on the keypad. To grind produce, drop it into the end of the hopper chute. Never push it down by hand. Use the provided paddle to help the produce down the chute if needed. Never place any items into the machine that weren't provided by the manufacturer. Never reach into grinder or put hands under the discharge when running. Power off grinder by pushing in red emergency stop or by pressing the stop button on the keypad. Before pressing, change bag from grind position into press position. Turn on the hydraulic power unit. The speed of the press can be set using the throttle knob next to the directional lever. All the way clockwise is shut. Turning counterclockwise will increase the speed. The black directional lever has 3 positions: reverse, neutral, and forward. To press, move directional lever forward. When pressure starts to increase, juice will flow into juice pan. If produce starts to move up and out of bag, slow press down. When extraction is complete, move the directional lever back into retract position. The press will begin to open. When press is fully open, return lever to center or neutral position. Turn off hydraulic power unit using the switch located on the motor. To remove bag, simply unhook it from the rack stems and lift it out of the machine. It can be emptied into a waste bin and then placed back into position for the next pressing. The juice collection container can be removed and emptied. When pressing is complete or before cleaning, disconnect power from the grinder and the press. To clean, remove all removable components and place in sink for hand washing. press can be sprayed down and wiped clean. Foaming cleanser can be used if desired. All removable parts can be cleaned by hand and left to soak. To clean press bag, rinse it thoroughly in the sink and then soak it as described in the manual.